Okay, so it's a new day and it's currently 8:30 in the morning. Fortunately, I have this power bank that I really want to sell by the end of today. And I'm going to do that using Facebook ads because I have no followers on my page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how I'm going to sell this power bank with limited amount of budget by the end of the day and get my money for this product. So follow me through this journey. You are not going to regret it. Okay, so step one, you need to have a page. I think this is very simple, the easiest of the lot. So you need to have a page. You can go ahead, if you don't have a Facebook page, you can go ahead and create a Facebook page under your Facebook profile. It's very quick, it will take you seconds. So what you do is, after you create your page, you're going to set up your page, add some images concerning your products. This is very simple, anybody could do this. That's not the main issue here. So if you come to your page, what you're going to do is you're going to take cool photos of the product. That's step two. So in my case, these are the photos that I took of this Oraimo product that I'm going to sell it. Take a look. So as you can see, the photos, they're not world class and they're not bad as well, because I'm doing this to make it as beginner friendly as possible. Anybody with a good camera can take pictures at the same level or even better than this. So after you have taken quality images that can relay the message of your product, what you're going to do is you're going to come to your page, click on add image, allow access. I'm going to call Anna. You're going to take the images you took. You're going to take the images you took and you're going to copy them one by one, not a single image. You're going to copy multiple images. I think this one is good. At least 4 images. In my case, I'm going to post 4 images. So I think these 4 images, I'm going to click next. So what I'm going to do is say something about these photos. This is very important. What I'm selling is, look, this is the Oraimo Traveler 12. It's a power bank from Oraimo. So they're asking you to write something about this image, like describe the image so that the customer can better understand the product. So what I'm going to do is, this is very simple. You need to go to any AI chatbot like ChatGPT or DeepSeek and write a Facebook ad description for Oraimo Traveler 12 power bank, 20,000 mAh, include payment on delivery in Abuja. This is very important, that payment on delivery in Abuja. This is, do you know why payment on delivery is very important? Because majority of new businesses, the customer do not trust them enough to send them money because they think they are going to get scammed. So if you put payment on delivery, when you deliver the product, they'll pay you your money and you make a profit. That's how it works. Unless you have huge capital and you are going to start big, payment or delivery is the best option if you want to sell quick, because you can't convince everybody to give you money without knowing you personally. So I'm going to see the results. Let me copy, select test. I'm going to copy only this one, chat now to order. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and I'm going to go back to my Facebook page. So I'm going to paste what I copied from ChatGPT. Oraimo Traveler 12, 20,000 power bank, fast charging, last long, super early, payment on delivery in Abuja. Get it first, pay later. Chat us now to order. Very simple, very easy to understand. So I'm going to click on next. I'm not going to add button now, not now, because I'm saving it for later. I know what I'm doing. This is another post that I made before. Like, I've been selling this power bank for a while now, so I know how it works. As you can see, we have successfully created our post. What next? How are we going to sell this product using Facebook ads? Stay with me, I'm going to show you how we are going to do it. It's currently 9:07.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I actually had to go and do something which took me about 30 minutes. So now it's currently 10:16 a.m. So what we're going to do is we have successfully created our first post, which is a great step. So what we're going to do is we are going to boost our post because we want Meta to show this post to other people. Every time we're going to pay Meta money. That's what advertising is. We're going to pay Meta money to push our post to other people in hope that they're going to buy my product. So what we are going to do is, as you can see, just click on boost post. Okay, so I'm going to show you the perfect settings that you're going to set in this Facebook ads. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on, don't leave it at automatic, just click on, your goal is to get more messages, not engagement, not leads, no calls, get more messages. So people might say that I'm going to click on sales, or if I use the Meta Ad Manager, run a sales campaign, but I've tested this, the get more messages gives me more return for payment on delivery. You should, based on my experience, I only use the sales campaign when I'm pushing traffic to the website, but when it's payment on delivery, I would like to choose get more messages. It's more effective for me. So you're going to choose get more messages. That's the first thing. So after you choose get more messages, we're going to choose our audience. So as you can see, I'm in Nigeria, minimum age 18, advantage audience on. You should leave it on, because that's very important, because what advantage audience does is it just, the Meta algorithm, based on how the data is getting results, it pushes to more people that are likely to buy your product apart from the audience you choose. So the Meta does this to get you more customers. So it's very good if you leave advantage audience on. So edit. And one thing about Meta ads is it gets better with time, but since we are going to run a 1-day campaign, we are going to choose the best setting that can give us short-term results. So as you can see now, age, I'm going to choose people that are likely to buy my product, and I think someone from 25 years old to 65 plus is more likely to buy my product. So I'm going to choose location as I'm Abuja. I want it to, because I want to do payment on delivery, I want Meta to only deliver the product to like a location that's not more than 20 kilometers, 25 kilometers from where I am, so that the transportation cost will not be costly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose Abuja as my location, Federal Capital Territory, because that's where I stay, that's closer to my place. So as you can see, Abuja. So I'm going to leave it at 10 miles radius, because I don't want it to be too far, because if it's too far, I will likely not be able to make payment or delivery, or the delivery cost will be too high. So I want it to be as close as possible. 10 miles radius is enough. So what I'm going to do is male, female. I'm not going to choose any male or gender, because I'm not selling any gender specific product. This power bank is unisex. Everybody needs a power bank. Oh yes. So I'm going to choose save. I want placement Instagram. No, I don't want it in Messenger. I only want it in Facebook or Instagram. Okay, budget. I'm going to spend 2,000 naira per day, which is like $1.3. So what I'm going to do is, no, I want to choose my messaging apps by myself. I don't want it. I want it to only send on WhatsApp, because I'm very active on WhatsApp. So because if I choose 3 apps, I'm going to get confused. So I can't be active in 3 apps. I only want to be active in 1 app. So I think everything is set right now. Okay, choose when this ad will end. Yes, in 1 day time. I only want to run a 1-day campaign. So I think we're all set for this ad right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on boost post now. I'm going to just wait for it to be approved. Normally it takes like 30 minutes, 1 hour for a post to be approved. So I'm going to choose view ad and wait for it to be approved.
A few moments later.
So it's 10:41 a.m. and our ad has just been approved right now. As you can see, 1 active campaign. What we're going to do now is we're just going to wait for the messaging conversations to happen, because it's not every customer that inquire about your product that's going to buy, but majority of the time, if 5 people ask of your power bank, 1 will buy. Let's see how many times it will take for me to sell 1 power bank. I'm going to update you immediately someone orders for 1, and we're going to package his order and we're going to deliver it to him.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I've started getting a few messages, 2 messages right now. So I talk to the customers, like, you just want to make inquiry. It's not a sale yet, but when we keep getting messages, eventually someone is going to buy. So stay tuned. I'll alert you when someone makes an order.
A few moments later.
Almost 10 o'clock in the night. As you can see, it's completely dark outside, and I finally got my first sale. So this guy says I should send the power bank to this address. So what I'm going to do tomorrow morning, I'm going to package the power bank and take it to a logistic company on payment on delivery. This company will do is they'll give a rider to deliver the power bank to my customer. After they collected the money from the customer, they're going to just deduct their delivery fee and send me the rest. So let's meet in the morning and see how it all goes.
The next morning.
So it's officially the next day, and I've already wrapped the product ready to take it to a logistic company. So I'm going to take it there, and they're going to deduct their delivery fee and send me the rest. All right.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it's a successful delivery, and I have officially received my payment, 15,000 naira. The product sold for 18,500 naira, but they removed 3,500 naira for their logistic fee. So they sent me a total of 15,000 naira, and that is it. I've officially sold my Oraimo power bank. So let's go to what I said. Number first thing is you need to have a page, take good pictures, make sure you describe your product really well, set your ads account in a setting that is favorable to you, know your audience, and of course payment option should be payment on delivery to make sure that you sell really quick. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe. There will be more to come. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.